Hi everyone, welcome back to the Peach Apron. I gotta ask you a question. Are you tired of complicated recipes that take forever to cook? Well, today I've got something special for you. I have some leftover rice with me, some capsicums and some eggs. So I thought, why not make something super easy, super delicious and something easy to whip up. So grab your aprons because today we're going to make egg fried rice. Let's get cooking. Grab a pan, add some oil. I'm adding around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to start this recipe by cooking the eggs. I'm using 3 eggs. On a very low heat, crack open the eggs one at a time and then gently stir the eggs in the pan to scramble them. I'm not adding any salt at this stage. Don't be in a hurry to speed up the cooking on a high flame. Make sure that the flame is on low. This will ensure that the eggs cook very well and stay fluffy. The key to perfecting this dish lies in cooking the eggs just right, ensuring they remain fluffy. The eggs are cooked. I'm going to remove it from the pan onto a dish and keep it aside while I move on to preparing the other ingredients. In a pan, add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add 1 star anise into the oil. This is going to help in infusing the oil and also bring a lovely flavor to the dish. Keep the flame on low and allow the star anise to slow cook in the oil, allowing it to gradually release its warm essence into the oil. It's time to add the capsicums or the bell peppers. I have here with me 1 finely chopped green capsicum. I am also adding half red capsicum, finely chopped. I love the splash of color the red capsicums add to this dish. The pairing of eggs with capsicums is simply amazing in itself. Turn the flame on high and saute the capsicums. Ensure that you stir them constantly till they turn a vivid, vibrant shade of green and red. To the capsicums, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. It's only going to take a few seconds for the ginger garlic to cook as the heat is on high. Next, I'm going to add soy sauce. I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can adjust the sauce according to your taste. Give it a thorough mix. It's time to add some green chilies. I have taken 1 green chili and chopped it into small pieces. Adding a bit of green chilies into this dish enhances the dish and balances all the flavors. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Next, I'm going to add a bit of vinegar. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix everything very well. Add the cooked eggs and give it a thorough mix, ensuring that all the ingredients and flavors are well combined with each other. To the eggs, I'm going to add a bit of cabbage, around half cup of cabbage finely chopped. Adding cabbage adds a crunch to the dish and gives a lovely texture to each bite. Saute the cabbage for a few seconds to retain its crunchy texture. Cook just enough to release its flavor into the dish. It's time to add the cooked rice to the mix. I have a bowl of basmati rice. Make sure that the rice is at room temperature. Adding hot rice will mash everything and break the rice as well, and we don't want that. Our goal is to create a dish that is not only delicious but also appealing to the eyes and pleasing to the palate. Add the rice in batches so that you have enough space to mix gently yet thoroughly, making sure that every grain of rice gets an even coating of the delicious mix. To the rice, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. You can adjust the pepper according to your liking. Also, it's time to season the dish with salt. Add salt to taste. Do keep in mind that the soya sauce has a bit of salt in it, so add salt accordingly. Give it a good mix. You can add some soya sauce or vinegar if needed at this stage as per your liking and taste. Mix the rice carefully yet thoroughly. Fluff the rice as you stir. This will ensure that all the ingredients are evenly distributed while maintaining a light and airy texture of the rice. Our egg fried rice is all done and ready to be served. It's time to plate it. Every spoonful showcases vibrant colors and textures, making it visually appealing and delicious. This dish is so easy and quick to cook, taking just a few minutes to prepare. Best of all, it's an excellent way to make use of leftover rice, creating an entirely new and delicious meal. A complete meal in itself, it can be savored even without any side dish, making it one of my go-to recipes on a busy day. And there you have it, a quick, easy and incredibly flavorful egg fried rice. It's the perfect solution for those busy weeknights or when you have some leftover rice and you want to transform into something amazing. A dish that's an absolute hit with both the young and the young at heart. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye for now.